Hey, I'm happy to share this moment with you, and perhaps you've clicked on this video because you're looking for a way to relieve yourself of the stress that might be bothering you right now. First off, know that there's no need for your mind to stress you to hurry up because, and I'm referring to this moment right now, because you can commit yourself to participate in this little session until the end of this video, and time doesn't go by quicker by your mind stressing you. So here we are, here and now, gradually calming down. If you wish, join me in taking 5 deep breaths. Notice how in such short time you've already become a whole lot more conscious of yourself and the present moment. Enjoy how good and healthy it feels to meditate and get easy. Whatever it is that's stressing you might be important, but please do your true self a favor and make sure you see the bigger picture. Instead of having a narrow focus on something you perceive as troubling, really look at the totality of it, or at least attempt to do so. Perhaps wonder why you need to achieve that, and if it really is that important that it's appropriate to invest that much energy into it. Don't forget about other areas of your life. Is this that is causing you to feel so stressed really worth neglecting other areas of your life that much? Stress itself can be seen as a useful pointer and motivator, but this alarm bell, you could say, shouldn't be ringing 24/7. Maybe what stresses you isn't or isn't only your current activity that's keeping you busy, but also it could be fear. Ask yourself in that case, what good is it to feel stressed? And what constructive lesson can I derive from that phenomena? Stress, at least in excess, is far from just beneficial and has so much to do with your psyche. I think that being present, therefore having a broader view on the topic and also giving it your best, is the way to go. So you're in the here and now, you work to achieve something, but you see it in the bigger picture, in the context of it all, and you don't get hung up in that. You try your best, but it doesn't have to be the end of the world. You still give it your best. I wish you all the best and take care.